Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make chocolate swirl recipe. This is very easy to make and I'll show you two different types of making the swirl. It's very easy and it turned out so delicious. The pancake itself, it's light, it's fluffy, it's delicious, guys. Just look at it. This is not heavy at all and it turned out yumicious. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in sugar, melted butter, eggs, salt. I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch till the end. After everything has come together, I added in flour, a pinch of nutmeg, which is totally optional. I'll then add in vanilla extract and mix this together. So once it was almost together, I added in the milk. Make sure you add in the milk whilst mixing. You do not want any lumps in the pancake batter, so please make sure you mix it well. After everything was almost about to come together, I added in the rest of the milk. I also list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the description box or in the comment section as well. So stir it till everything has come together and set it aside. After, in a different bowl, I added in cocoa powder, sieve it, and then I added in about half a cup of the pancake batter. I'll stir this together and this is the consistency you're looking for. I'll then pour it into a plastic bag. You can use a piping bag, but I was not having that at the moment, so I added it to it in a plastic bag and then I tied the end like as demonstrated in the video. So this is what you're looking for. Now let's begin with the pancake. Make sure you grease your pan with any oil, but I use butter. With butter is is the best. Make sure you spread it well. This was about half cup of the pancake batter. So wait for at least 30 seconds until you see that the surface has started drying up, and then use the chocolate one to decorate to make the round swirl thing. So that's it, guys. It's very simple, easy, and wait for 30 seconds more. Turn it another 30 seconds, turn it until it's cooked. So the next one, you are going to start with the chocolate one first. Make the swirl and go round until you've covered all the pan. Wait for 30 seconds at least, or until it has started drying up, and then scoop about half a cup of the pancake batter. Make sure you spread it well and let it cook for at least 30 seconds more before flipping it. This recipe is easy. You can even close your eyes and make this recipe, and trust me, it's so delicious. The banana that I added to it in the middle, the how do they call it, bring your name, the condensed milk, guys, this took this recipe to heaven, to the next level. You can even sprinkle a little bit of peanuts and you're good to go, guys. Just look at this as a breakfast is amazing. It's so delicious. Try this, do this for your kids, for your husband, for your guests as a breakfast, and trust me, they will love it. The pancake itself was light and fluffy. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you till then. Bye.